Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. We got a special unboxing, something that I got from Rebel Rouser 777 while I was at Blade Show, Texas. So here's one of two boxes. We're gonna go through one here, maybe we'll open the second one, I don't know. Let's do this right now. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my live wire. This is the OTF from Kershaw with the carbon fiber scale. Let's see what we have here. What do we have? Oh my goodness. We got Eagles galore. We have an awesome amount of sticker from Rebel Rouser 777. We have some cool arm. Oh, dude, that's cool. That's sick, my man. That is sick. What is this? What is this? That is cool. Man, we're gonna have some fantastic little giveaways here for you guys. Wow, that is amazing. Okay. Well, obviously someone is going to be getting a super cool. This is a Rebel Rouser. It's a Rebel Rouser. Oh, is that a new stick? That's a new sticker too. So this is a Hank, a 50 Ways Hank. That's cool, man. I like that. Oh my goodness, look at this. We've got more. Thank you for your service. These are amazing. I love these veteran coins. I have, you know, we've been giving them away in the giveaways. There's a ton in here, so it looks like we are set for a while. I'm going to put these guys back because this should have probably been the most recent giveaway, but I didn't get a chance to get to this box before Monday. These are cool, by the way. Look at that. Little Rebel Rouser 777. Those are cool, man. Super cool. And I am set with stickers, man. These are really, really awesome. And Eagles, I have to ask, this is really nice. This is cool. If it's a gift for a giveaway, then you know it is what it is, right? So we're gonna take that. We're gonna put this over here. Let's get to that second box. So this is Rebel Rouser 777. This is a giveaway box. All right, so we're gonna look at this. It's a giveaway. So he's already pre-packaged this like it's gonna be a giveaway. So we're gonna see what we have here. What do we have? Oh, this is gonna be epic. Oh my goodness. Whoever's gonna win this one, oh my goodness, hold on. Man, can I enter? Rebel Rouser, can I enter? Would it be all right if I entered? Wow. This is crazy. So you're gonna get an O-Light O-strip. That is nice. All right, that's cool. So that's the first thing. You're gonna get yourself a O-Light pin. Nice, a little mini pin. Okay. You're gonna get yourself a Viper Raid tactical equipment. So you have like a little place where you put stuff in here. A little clip, looks like a moly clip. You could put a pin and stuff in there. So that's another one. Then we have Bubinga. Is that the type of wood or something? These look like they're handmade. Wow. That looks really cool. I thought I heard somebody talk about making handmade pins. I'll have to ask them about that. That's really cool. That's really cool. And these are like a little knife sleeves. Like this could be a pin sleeve. You could put your pin in, right? And then this could be a knife sleeve. So you keep them nice and protected, especially if you're traveling, right? Okay, so this, you get the Hank with the little coupon. With the little coupon, with the sticker. Sorry, the Hank. This is a Hank's hat. We didn't open the first one. But we're absolutely going to open this one since this is a giveaway, so you want to see what it is. Wow. Okay, 50 Ways Hank, as you all know, 50 Ways Hank. Remember, there's a link down below with my with a coupon code. You can save 10%. That's nice. That's nice. Look at that. He actually got me a Rob's Nerdy Knives Hank. It's behind here when you see the live stream. It's usually in the back my backdrop. Really nice. Really, 50 Ways Hank does some great stuff. He has other EDC gears and stuff too. So definitely worth checking out for sure. So I'm going to put this back in here so I don't lose it. Let me do it this way so we can see that it's 50 Ways Hank. I'll take the stickers out. I'll put this in last. This, why don't I make it easy on myself? I don't know. Because I like it the hard way, apparently. Okay, so there's the Hank, and we're going to put these 2 stickers. So we have Rebel Rouser. I like this new sticker, by the way. And 50 Ways right here. So we'll put these 2 inside the bag. Okay. We will get there eventually. It is amazing how important your thumb is. Don't you hurt yourself. Careful. Just be careful. And of course, you got yourself a little field notes. Write in rain. Oh, is this a waterproof thing? Hold on. Patented, environmentally responsible, all-weather writing paper. Oh, so you can write in rain with this. Oh, that's cool. That's neat. That's neat. That's very tactical. That seems like somebody who might have been deployed. I don't know. I'm just guessing here. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so this one has a little bit of everything. You already get the wrist brace, which we saw earlier. You get an eagle, which we saw earlier. You get a paracord. Almost looks like Kelly's Mishmash. I wonder if he made them. You're going to get yourself a... This looks like a standoff, almost. Like a standoff in a knife, but you got a happy face and... Okay, all right. You got this 2 different faces there. I don't know. Torque's face or whatever. Okay, so we've got Caveman EDC. You know, we've given some of those away. You get 1 of the Veteran Challenge coins. These are really cool. By the way, if you're a veteran and you were to win this giveaway, this is for you. I always tell you that. I mean that legit. But if you're not a veteran, one thing Rebel Rouser has asked me, and I do, is challenge you to find a veteran to give that to and say thank you. Ooh. We've got ourselves a little pry bar made in the USA. Rhino pry bar. That's cool. So that'll have a pry bar. Dang. That's cool. You're going to get yourself something I need. A Band-Aid, of course. You get a Kaiser cloth. Looks like this is Gorilla. Is that Vosteed? That's Fair Monster, I believe. That's Fair Monster. I'm pretty sure. Vosteed there. We got ourselves the Syndicate Lounge. We've got ourselves the Blade Traders. Buy, sell, trade. Nice. Of course, you got the Rebel Rouser. Oh, you get the classic sticker and then the new sticker there. So you got a couple of versions of them. You're going to get your Ways G6G hardware made in the USA. JD4 EDC. Get ourselves Glow Rhino. A Syndicate Lounge sticker as well. Traditional pocket knives. A Kaiser sticker, a nice little cool style. SK for EDC, which goes along with 50 Ways Hank. You're going to get yourself a B Nice for McNeese. A Sparrow Knife Company. Man, I really wanted to get a Sparrow. I feel like that's going to be hard to... That's going to be on my wish list. I'll just put it that way. 50 Ways. Get yourself Dark Water. Dark Water. I've gotten a few of his stickers, but I've never gotten anything directly from him. But that's cool. 50 Ways EDC McDonald's. Billions and billions served. There we go. And Weldon Carry. So that's the pack and the nice hat here, okay? But we haven't even looked at the knife yet. So what is the knife? Does it say on here? Okay, so let's open that up. Ooh, sorry, my hands. It's hard to. You'd be surprised how important your thumb is. Oh, Kubi. What do we got here? This is the Flame. Wait, was Flame 1 CPU S35VM titanium KB 284E. Kubi. Who's the designer of this one? Max. It's really small. Max TK Chuck. Don't know who that is. Oh, that action is. Oh, wow. Hold on. Whoa. What? That action is nice. I wonder, can we? We absolutely can front flip this guy. Can we down flip it? Yeah, we can. Okay. Detent nice and clickety. Any detent lash? No. Any pivot plate, pivot lash? No. Pivot plate, pivot lash? No. That action's very smooth. Feels like there's skiffs in there or something. It's super crazy smooth. Nice clip. It's got that flame anodization. We'll have to look this knife up. I don't know the name of it, but it is pretty neat. Pretty neat. Wow. Wow. We're gonna have to take a look at this a little bit better. Let me put some of the stuff back in the box just so we can take a little time to focus on that knife. Okay, so we're gonna put the box stuff over here, but I'm gonna start packing some of this stuff back in because I want to take a look at that knife. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at this knife here. So let's do a little zoom in on this knife here. So this is the Kubi. Is that a hollow grind or flat grind? It's a flat grind. Got the flame anodization on the titanium blue anodized hardware. It's got a nice backspacer back there, a nice little lanyard there. Got the clip. It is right hand tip up only. Got good weight relief, milling on the inside. Frame locked, steel bar insert over travel stop. Over here, minimal hardware. We've got what is apparently the manufacturer, or I mean the designer, which appears to be Mace. I think it's Trek Chuck or something, I don't know. But the action is really smooth. Very, very smooth. This here. Can front flip it, just gotta be a little lower here. Let's see. Yeah, can't do it too much. It's not really meant to be front flipped. It's really a fuller type of opening, thumb hole. But you can absolutely slow roll it for sure. Can I get over here? You can with the left hand. Just gotta be careful when you get a cut. But very, very cool little knife. I like that. So sorry, I got a little carried away. There's that anodization, the Kubi right there. The weight relief you'll see in there. Hopefully I don't have to edit this too badly because I'm having a brain fart here. I'm so enthralled by the knife. There's the blade. I would call this sheep's foot. Probably sheep's foot. Yeah. Because it's got a belly, curves around this. It almost looks like a warning from the top, but a sheep's foot from the bottom. We'll call it a worn foot or a sheep's cliff. A sheep's cliff. I don't know. You tell me. All right. There's the clip as well. Nice. The back spacer. Very cool little knife. Very, very cool little knife. Very cool little giveaway all together. I think that's neat. All right, thank you so much, RoboRouser777. I appreciate the extra giveaways for future giveaways, and I appreciate this massive giveaway here. Maybe we'll make this a big giveaway coming up this weekend, or this Monday, and I will drop this video this week to talk about the giveaway, so I think that's what we'll do. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do, if that's okay with you. I'll reach out to you, obviously, and confirm, but very nice. The action on this guy is really surprisingly wonderful. That's nice. I haven't handled a lot of Kubis. I mean, I've handled Kubis as an OEM, but not straight up Kubi design Kubi. So I think that's pretty cool. It does come with a little Kubi card right here, right? I think that's it in the box. Let's see. Yep, that's it. And then you have, this is the part number right here. Oops. It is a KB, so Kubi 284E, CPM S35VN, blade steel titanium, flamed. That's all I know. So there you go. Very, very nice little knife here for sure. So thank you so much to RoboRouser777. Appreciate you, man. Really do, really do. And it's going to be an awesome giveaway. Somebody, I jokingly said, can I get in a giveaway? It is a really cool giveaway. I got to admit, it's pretty slick. This is a giveaway that I think most people would be interested in, even if maybe not the blade, maybe the other stuff. There's so much bling in here. There's so much good stuff in there. I think it's just awesome. The pry bar is cool. Hank's cool. Just a lot of neat stuff. So go give RoboRouser777 a follow if you haven't already. If you're not familiar with his channel, I'll have his link down below in the description, obviously. Please go watch. If you go subscribe, watch a short all the way through and then like it. That way your subscription will stick and you'll stay a member of his channel. Love to see more people go check him out, but really appreciate him with this giveaway. I think this is super awesome. Somebody's going to really enjoy winning this. So So yeah, very cool. All right, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, informative, helpful, any of the above, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit the like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button as well, because subscribing and liking the channel really does help out. Allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content as part of the live stream. I sure do appreciate you so very much. Thank you. Small way for me to say thank you. I want to do two things for channel members. One, brand new channel members, email me your name and address and say, I'm a brand new channel member. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a little thank you note. Right? I'd love to do that. It's my small way to say thank you. Secondly, channel members, you're eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we'll do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month we'll have 2 giveaways. And members, you could enter both and you could be eligible for both. If you're not a member, unfortunately, you can only enter one. But members, you're absolutely able to enter both and you could win both. So yeah, that's the cool thing. All right. If any of that sounds really cool to you, like you might be interested, there is a link down below in the description how to become a member. I have 3 different tiers, low, medium, high. Would love to have you as a channel member, but don't feel pressured. If you do, don't do it. Don't do it. But if you have chosen to do so, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm totally blown away. Some of you guys are going to say, hey, what about the emojis? What about the exclusive members content? What about the kazoo salutes? What about the 1 year, 2 year, 3 anniversary stuff? Yes, all that's true. There's more stuff, small ways for me to say thank you, let you know how much I appreciate you. Absolutely. You guys blow me away. So thank you. Yeah, if any of that sounds cool to you, that's part of the whole thing. So just let you know. All right, if you watched this far, I really appreciate you guys. I do also have an Instagram page over here at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's an Instagram page at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.